Hi, everyone. My name is Bob Jablonsky. I'm an enrolled agent and a certified tax resolution specialist. My firm works with all kinds of small business owners, and this video is pertinent to all of them. We specialize in helping real estate agents, real estate brokers, and mortgage brokers. And this is one in a series of videos that I have that are tax tips for real estate agents. This video is why you should file your taxes timely even if you owe the government. So we're going to go through that. But first of all, we're going to talk about some reasons why taxpayers don't file their taxes timely. Well, there's many reasons for that. The most common one I find with taxpayers who come into my office is that they were going to file, they think they owe, and they're afraid of the IRS, and so they don't want to file. And we're going to talk about why that's not a good idea. See, there's consequences of not filing timely. And if you owe the government, there's always ways to deal with it through payment plans, currently not collectible, even an offer and compromise. There's all kinds of options. The second thing I see is that, especially with small business owners, putting together an income statement, a P&L, set of financial statements when you are not an accountant seems way too complicated and can be very intimidating as well. There's all kinds of solutions there too, including get some software that'll help you organize your income and expenses. Get a bookkeeper, do something, but get control of your bookkeeping today so that you're ready when it comes time to file your taxes. The third thing is there's just an emergency that occurred. It's beyond their own control. Something really bad happened in their life. And it could be medical, it could be family, it could be, weather related, it could be a lot of things. Once again, my suggestion is get an extension filed so you have additional time and do your best to get it filed prior to the filing deadline. However, even if you don't, keep in mind that you may qualify for reasonable cause penalty abatement. So keep that in mind if it does occur, but you should first file the extension to get some time, and hopefully that will give you the time you need to get back on track. So what are the 7 possible consequences of not filing timely? Well, the worst one that at least the way I look at it is there's a late filing penalty of 5% per month, up to 5 months or part of a month. So 4 months and a day later, this taxpayer who thought I owe $20,000, so I'm not going to file, now owes $25,000. Wouldn't you rather have the $20,000 and get it filed? Next one is late payment. Late payment penalties are much less substantial than late filing. It's a 0.5% a month, 0.25% if you're in an installment agreement. So does that stop if you file late? No, you still file. Your payment was still due by April 15th, and penalties start to accrue on that day. Interest. Well, now you not only have interest on the tax itself, but all the penalties as well. So all of this interest is going to begin accruing. What if you don't file return for a long period of time? Well, eventually, particularly if you are something like a real estate agent where you get a 1099, the IRS is going to file return on your behalf. And it's going to be a substitute for return. It's going to have all of the income, but none of the expenses that you're entitled to. So you're not going to like the result. You want to get your return filed before they file it for you. If not, you're going to need to deal with that. Fifth reason, the IRS only has 10 years to collect the tax debt. Sounds like a long time, but if something bad has happened in your life, it may not be as long as you think. And then when does that start? The clock doesn't start ticking till your return is filed and processed and your tax is assessed. So the sooner you get it done, the sooner that clock starts to move. What about levies and liens? You want to get it filed so you don't want to down the line be running into levies and liens where you owe the government more than you would have at the beginning. You now can't pay it and you're running into levies and liens. And then what if you're actually entitled to a refund? Did you know that there's a 3-year statute of limitation to collect your refund? So you want to, before you even know what your taxes are, some people choose not to file. Make sure you know you're not getting a refund. If you are, get it filed within that 3-year statute of limitations. Hopefully you found this video really helpful. If you did, please like the video so others are going to watch it as well. If you have any quick questions, leave them in the comments below. Do my best to get back to you. If you're looking for professional help, please contact me. Get on my calendar, https://Jablonsky and Associates.com/contact. That information is also in the description of this video. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and we will see you soon.